दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ। मैं भी आशिक यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ।
This is Anita Brito in conversation with Rashi Khanna. Hello Rashi, welcome to Mumbai.
Thank you so much.
How you been?
I'm good, how are you?
Very good. Firstly, a huge congratulations.
Thank you.
I saw the film. Film has received a lot of love. How does that feel?
I mean, obviously, whenever a film receives love, you love the fact that it has received love because that's what you work so hard for. But apart from that, also my job is always to deliver my best and to see that the audience is enjoying my part as well. Because if a film works but you don't work, then that's sad in its own way. So yeah, I'm really happy with the reactions I'm getting. I'm really happy that people are really loving me, coming back into Hindi films and seeing me on the big screen. And I was also very happy to see myself on the big screen in Hindi. This is amazing. Yeah, it was a very nice moment and very nice feeling that I have.
This was after Madras Cafe, and I
Yes.
must say there are a lot of people who have been complaining that we have not seen you much. You know, Madras Cafe did open the doors for you in Bollywood, but post that you took a different route. You
Yes,
went to
yes.
South. Why is that?
I think I never really made a plan about which industry I would want to work in, but I feel like one thing that was very certain in my head was that if I want to do films, they have to be good films, or otherwise there's no point in me doing them. I was never desperate, and I have a lot of patience, so I was like, let me wait it out, let me see what's coming to me. And South opened its doors for me and gave me some wonderful work and gave me a place. They gave me a place in their hearts, and I kept working there. But I also, after a point, had this in my head that हिंदी में जाना है वापस तो कुछ अच्छा ही आना चाहिए, नहीं तो कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. You know, I don't want to be one of everybody. You know, I want to stand out. I want to be able to do stuff that I want to do. And that's when Farzi came, and वो तो मतलब आँख बंद करके I signed it and I was like, this is it. This is what I was waiting for. So I never really planned anything, and I think I'm just happy that the right things are falling into place today for me in Hindi. Yeah.
But were there no good offers or no
No,
good
honestly,
scripts?
after Madras Cafe, ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि पिक्चर आई और बहुत सारे दरवाजे खुल गए मेरे लिए कि ओ वाओ शी इज़ अ गुड एक्टर, लेट्स टेक हर इन फिल्म्स. वो मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ हिंदी में. जो मुझे मिला वो मुझे लगा नहीं कि मुझे उस टाइम करना चाहिए, एंड आई डोंट रिग्रेट एनी ऑफ माई डिसीजंस. आई थिंक आई मेड गुड वंस. बैड भी होता है तो उससे हम सीखते ही हैं, बट आई वॉज हैप्पी मूविंग टू द साउथ ऑल्सो. तो मेरे को हिंदी में इतने अच्छे ऑफर्स नहीं मिले.
Why? Why do you think?
I
it
really
was
don't know.
this?
I really don't. See, you never know why you are in, why you're considered, why you're not considered. There are things that we want to do, but necessarily वो हमारे पास आएंगे नहीं. And I was also very new, और सिर्फ मद्रास कैफे में देख के to be able to get those kind of roles was very difficult because उस time cinema was also very different.
Yeah.
There was a star system, and then you had to succumb to that star system. Otherwise, and making your own place was very difficult.
Correct.
अब OTT के आने से और बहुत सारी अलग-अलग kind of films के आने से, now it's opened doors to all kinds of actors. Is why I probably even got a Farzi.
Yeah.
You know.
But do you think post-pandemic also things have changed for the actors as well as how the films are being made and projected?
देखिए, जब OTT आया था तो लोगों को लगा फिल्में ख़त्म.
Yeah.
और फिर अब 2022 में आई थिंक 2023 में फिल्में चलने लग गई तो पीपल वर लाइक अब फिल्में चल गई हैं, OTT रह गया. तो सी दिस इज़ अ डिबेट, देयर इज़ नो आंसर टू दैट डिबेट, देयर इज़ नो प्रो और एंटी एनीथिंग. आई एम नॉट प्रो और एंटी एनीथिंग. आई जस्ट फील लाइक OTT इज ओनली हेल्प्ड फिल्म्स ऑल्सो because now people have been exposed to world cinema, and they're okay watching all of this content, and they're okay seeing this in Hindi as well. So I think for writers, for actors, it's a very good time because you can explore whatever you want to explore on OTT without caring about the numbers, honestly, and also experimenting in films for the big screen. So I feel it's a very good time to be an actor or a writer or a director.
But also is it challenging because you never know what film is going to connect with the audience, what is not going to connect. Like I am still surprised right now why it's not working out.
Maybe there's somebody who hates it, maybe there's somebody who loves it. There'll always be all kinds of people, but obviously we want कि जब picture आए तो बहुत लोगों को पसंद आए.
Right.
I think the challenge has been to bring them to theaters still, because अभी पता है अच्छा OTT में कभी तो आ जाएगी, हम देख लेंगे. So that is a challenge that even people face कि अरे अच्छा OTT पे आ जाएगी, हम देख लेंगे. I also sometimes do it कि अच्छा हाँ ये तो इस पे आ जाएगी, that's also because I'm always occupied, but I know people in general are very occupied today. So to bring them to theaters is a problem, but I don't think it's a bad film at all. Like
It is not.
So that's fine. I think every film has its destiny, and you just learn from what you can learn from it, and you move on to your next. That's all we can do. Yeah.
You know, I was talking to one of the actors, and he mentioned this. You know, when pandemic lifted, people in South, the audiences went running to the theaters. There was no, they didn't lack. When the audience, but here we are still struggling to get the audience, like you said. You know,
See, I'll tell you,
what
because
is-
I feel like the South, the only mode of entertainment for them is cinema. It's not like they're not into hundreds of activities like we are in places like Bombay, Delhi, exposed to so many activities, right?
Right.
It's not like that in the BC centers in Hyderabad, or I mean in Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. So for them, entertainment is like, I want to go and watch a film. There's a culture of watching films. Here, it's not necessarily a culture. You want to watch a film, you'll go. Otherwise, you won't go. You'll do something else. You'll go to a comedy show. You'll go to something. So there are lots of modes of entertainment. For the South audience, it's just films. So they embraced it immediately as soon as films started releasing. So there was never a question कि वो चलेंगी कि नहीं films. They knew will work. You know, once they come into
it
cinema.
was working right, left, and center.
Yes,
there
yes,
was
into
no,
theatres, yes.
Space.
Yeah.
But what have you learned, Rashi, in so many years? What have you learned as an actor? And personally, what is your experience like?
I think personally, I'm a completely different human being from what I was 5 years ago. I'm sure it's true for everybody. We all evolve in time. And being an actor has helped me become a better person. Because जब हम एक्टिंग करते हैं और बहुत ऐसे किरदार होते हैं जिनसे हम रिलेट नहीं करते, और मेरे बहुत बार सवाल होते हैं पर ये ऐसा क्यों करेगी, एंड आई सी इट फ्रॉम द लेंस ऑफ राशि, यू नो कि बट दिस इज नॉट राइट, और मे बी इट्स राइट फॉर द कैरेक्टर, यू नो. सो यू स्टार्ट एम्पथाइजिंग एंड यू स्टार्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग देम. तो अभी मैं कुछ भी देखती हूँ ना, आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई अ पर्सन इज ट्राइंग टू डू दिस instead of judging them or throwing trash at them. I think that's why I've evolved as a person, because all my judgments have gone. Like, I don't judge people, I understand them for who they are, and it's easier that way because you never get hurt also, because you know if they're trying to hurt you, they themselves are coming from a place of hurt.
Correct.
So it's made life so much more easy for me and so much more peaceful in a world where everyone's just rushing to be something they're not. And I know myself. I think that's my biggest achievement in life. I know myself. I know that I'm constantly evolving, and I keep questioning myself. Okay, who am I? Like, you know, that's a question that stays with me, and I keep contemplating on that as well.
But as you evolve, has your criteria for signing films changed as well?
Yes, of course. See, when you're working, like I've worked so many years in the South. Now, if the South audience sees me in a Hindi film, they'll be like, I hope she's not just there for the heck of it. I hope she's not just there in a 5-10 minute role. And even if she's there for 5-10 minutes, she better be impactful. You know, so there's always this responsibility on your shoulders. So I can't just sign a film because for the wrong reasons. Like, it has to be a right reason where the audience will be okay with you doing it. They are my first priority more than anything else. So yeah, it's definitely changed, and now the criteria have changed, and I want to make a difference in a film that I'm a part of. I want to give it my all. I want to play different kinds of characters, and there's so much more I want to explore still. Yeah.
But anything that you keep in mind when you sign a film, you keep in mind that length, does it matter anywhere? कि कितना टाइम है, मेरा स्क्रीन स्पेस कितना है?
देखिए, अगर आप इवन इफ यू सी फर्जी, एवरीवन हैज़ अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर रोल इन इट. तो जब मेरे पास भी आए थे, तो आई न्यू हाँ दे विल डू जस्टिस टू द कैरेक्टर मोर देन एनीथिंग. आई नेवर सेड कि मेरा स्क्रीन टाइम कितना है, मेरी स्पेस कितनी है. दैट वाज नॉट माई थिंग. माई थिंक वाज, is it going to be impactful enough, even if it is coming in these many scenes? And sure enough, it was impactful. So I feel like अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी स्पेस मिलती है, चाहे वो जितनी भी टाइम की है, it should just be impactful. Otherwise, you might as well not do it.
And post Farzi has people started asking you कि कब आएगी?
जी, मैं हर सवाल मेरा, हर इंसान का सवाल यही है कि फर्जी 2 कब आएगा. मेरा भी यही सवाल है अपने डायरेक्टर से कि सर फर्जी 2 कब आएगा, बिकॉज हमने अभी शूट स्टार्ट नहीं करी है, बट आई नो फ्रॉम राज सर दैट दे आर प्लानिंग इट नेक्स्ट ईयर. So I really am after them, because I think I really enjoyed shooting for it, and I think people really enjoyed watching it, and it's something they're really looking forward to. So Rajan T.K. sir, this is for you. Please start Farzi 2. Yes.
Yes, we all are waiting.
Yes.
Even Rudra, we have been waiting.
Yes.
There was
I think they
some
did
talks
say that there will be a part 2, but I don't know about it, because I think Ajay sir is also very busy doing films. So once I think it's his decision to make firstly, and then they'll probably come to me. Yeah.
But you have worked with Vijay Sethupathi down south also,
Yes.
and then in Farzi as well. How did you? What was the conversations like?
So I think on the Tamil set, I was trying to understand Tamil from him. Like, I was learning Tamil from him, and in the Hindi set, he was learning Hindi from me. And I remember he said, "You were like this mouse on the Tamil set. very scared because of the language, and now I see you like a lioness. Tum sherni ban gayi ho. I said, yeah, because it is my language. It's so much more easier to. And then he understood the pain that I went through, learning lines that are not my language. I mean, I understand Tamil really well. I can speak it, but it's not my first language. So he understood that pain. So there was a sense of understanding. I was like, okay.
But now have you become fluent in the language?
Of
Because
course,
it's been
I
so
can.
many
I can
years, no?
speak in Tamil. I can. I can do conversations in Tamil.
You've sang songs also.
I've sung
from-
songs in
yes.
Telugu professionally, so Telugu is my second language literally today. So I can really talk, and I feel like I'm one of their own. Yeah.
But Rashi, do you have a wish list? A particular role that you genuinely are looking forward to. Someone should offer you that kind.
I think I really want to. I want to be able to do a mythological character. I think I want to do that role of power that operates from power, and a character you cannot judge because she's great. Like she's not liked and she's liked also by some. So that middle ground,
yeah.
because we are all grey, and I want to explore that where there's no white, there's no black, it's just grey. So that the audience is divided whether you like her or whether you don't like her. So something like that which is powerful enough. I also want to do a silent film where I don't have dialogues. I want to. I think I'll really become better as an actor if I get that opportunity. So I want to do that. I also want to explore the action genre for myself, and I am ready to work really hard for it. But I want also to be backed by really good directors. Like I really want to work with Karan Johar because I got to know him while we were promoting the film, and I was just like, yeah, you really have to direct me one day. That is what I told him.
Did you have this conversation? With
Yeah,
him or
I
no?
mean, I told him. I said, I really want to be directed by you one day. Because if you ever see any of his interviews, his thought process about what he thinks about direction, what he thinks about screenplay, and also we see it in his films, right?
Yeah.
The way he directs. There's a lot of emotion. It's all heart, and I want to be able to be a part of a film which is all heart.
He's all about love.
Yes,
and
yes.
He's the
And
best one to explore
I
the
love love.
story.
So I'm like, okay, I really want to. And obviously, I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali sir is on everybody's list.
True.
So definitely him as well, because the way he projects women and the way they look in his films is just beyond reality. Yeah,
True.
yeah.
But any favorite of your any films of both the directors, Karan and Sanjay Leela?
It's very difficult. See, Rocky and Rani I really liked, and I remember messaging him also because it was all heart, and I loved both Alia and Ranveer in the film and everybody else who's worked in the film. So I did, but it's very difficult for me to. I loved Kuch Kuch Hota Hai as well. It's one of my favorite films growing up. So Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, and Sanjay Leela Bhansali, all films.
films.
You cannot name one film that you think is brilliant of his.
And it's always different also. Whatever
Yes.
he's worked so far,
Yes.
it's been very different. And so is your film history as well. Your career graph. You have worked with different directors, with different actors.
Yes.
You very few actors you have repeated. Even I was
Yes.
going through your. Is it consciously you're doing it, or it just happens?
No, it just happens. See, you cannot decide in this profession who you want to work with, what you want to do, because you may want to work with a certain person, they may not want to work with you. So a lot of things come to you. And today, because I've grown up enough to understand how surrender works, I want to surrender to life, and I want to see what it brings to me. And the day that I surrendered, which was probably around Farzi, and I was like, okay, I'll leave it to you. Just do what's best for me. Things started happening for me. So I don't rush for things. I don't fight for things. I just let them happen. And it's been great. Yeah.
And your chemistry with Siddharth also has
Yes.
been praised a
Yes.
lot. How was your experience with him?
I wasn't expecting it will be so great, because if you see the film, we barely have scenes. It's
Yes.
in the climax and it's in the beginning when you're fighting, and it's in the songs. So I didn't spend a lot of time with him. So for me to see that people were really liking Akim, I was like, oh wow, well, I didn't see it like that, but okay, great. If they're liking it, then great. Yeah.
That's nice. What is that one thing that you've learned from him?
From him, I think he may have learned a lot of things from me, because he's like a very patient. Yeah, but I think he perseveres. He's somebody who never gives up. That's something that I really like about him.
Very down to earth, if I'm not
I mean, I think all of my co-actors have been, honestly. But yeah, for him, I would say that he's somebody who never gives up, and he perseveres and works really hard. Yeah.
So Rashi, on a final note, before I go to my next segment with you, what next? Are we going to see more of you in Bollywood now?
Yes,
and doing
you
more
are going to
films?
see. So I am never going to let go of the South, because that is where I became who I became. So for me, I'm still doing Tamil films, I'm still doing Telugu films, And here also I have been working on films which you will see because Sabarmati Report is going to
Yes,
be
that's-
releasing on 3rd May. There's also one love story that I have with Vikrant. The details of it haven't come out yet, but there are these 2 films that I'm really looking forward to. There are films that are in discussions as well. So I'm like everywhere. I'm like yeah.
No, that's good.
I'm trying to be everywhere. I'm
That's
trying to
good.
balance all industries, and yeah, that's the plan.
Again, Sabarmati is very different from Yudha.
Yes,
and the other
Sabarmati is
films.
absolutely different. So when you see the teaser and trailer, I'm sure it will be a talking point, and it's been a very honest effort from the team to bring you something special, which you will see in the trailer. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
But जाते जाते एक गाना तो बनता है.
अरे
I
बाप
want
रे.
to hear you live.
मैंने बिल्कुल ही ऐसे प्लान नहीं किया था कि आप पूछोगे, बट गाना. So this is one of my favorites from. There's Zara Zara and there's Dil Ko Tumse Pyar Hua from Rehna Hai Tere Dil Mein. So I'll sing Dil Ko Tumse Pyar Hua, like 2 lines.
Please.
दिल को तुमसे प्यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ, मैं भी आशिक यार हुआ, पहली बार हुआ, तुमसे प्यार हुआ.
Wow.
Thank you.
Can you keep singing in the films as well?
You know, honestly, मुझे नहीं लगता मैं बहुत ही amazing गाती हूँ. मुझे लगता है ठीक है. I mean, Indians, a lot of us sing well, so it's not like there's something stunning about my singing. I just feel like ठीक है मैं actor हूँ जो गा सकती है, but we have very good singers.
But it's
so
been some time now that
Yes.
you've not sang in any of your films.
I don't promote that on sets, or I don't tell people that I sing. If they like me singing, they want me to sing, I sing, but I don't necessarily promote that. मुझे बहुत रियाज करना पड़ेगा to become better at it.
I'm going to release this first thing so that more people
Thank
can
you.
approach you to
Thank
sing
you.
in your films.
Thank you.